Hi, Jason and Laura. It's me reporting with my latest Schoology issue. Okay, so here's the dealio. This folder right here that I'm looking at, Quizlet / enlaces para repasar. Okay, here's the issue I'm having. This link, for whatever reason, students can't see it. So I go to edit, publish, okay, save changes. Now it's visible. Okay, now let's double check. I'm going to go to course options, view course as, my man Brick here. If we go to lesson 8, Quizlet, now you guys are going to think I'm nuts, but this shows up for me on my computer, but it does not show up for the students. Like they actually don't have this folder, proyectos or formatos, which I don't even know why I have that, but my point is I did this in class. Like I was like, no, Brick, you can totally see it. And he's like, no, actually I can't. And his screen, even as I was viewing it, did not match mine. I also tried moving this folder out and they still claimed they couldn't see it. So what I ended up doing was sending an update with the link and then we, whatever. But I also had another student mention that there's been many times when they get an update from my class that's just completely blank. Like there's no content in the update. And they said one time last week it was sending every 5 minutes. So I think there's something going on with my Schoology here. I don't know what that might be, but let me know if you would like me to upload this video to like a, well, I'll submit a help desk ticket or whatever, but any guidance would be very much appreciated. So the issue though is with this link, these not showing up for kids. Okay, thanks.